Happy Wednesday, mid-Missouri. We are warming fast today. We'll expect highs back above freezing by this afternoon. We'll see temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, maybe even 40s for some of us, and it's all about the wind. Our low-level winds in the atmosphere just above our heads, not at the surface, but just above our heads, is really cranking out of the southwest, and that's going to drive that warmth for us. So while we're starting dangerously cold this morning, we're back, as I mentioned, above freezing later today. Some sunshine mixed in there as well, but high clouds return overnight tonight. We'll see a chance for some maybe light rain showers, some snow mixing in early tomorrow, 4 a.m. Here we are, some flurries falling, temperatures cold, enough to get snow to the ground and to stick. And then we'll see likely a break throughout the middle part of the day. But another round of snow, and a better one, arrives Thursday evening. This is our better chance for accumulations. You'll see better snow moving in by around 6 to 7 o'clock in the north, and this will pass through the northern part of mid-Missouri and this is where snowfall, I should say, will be the best. We will have some straggling snow showers to the south, but by far our best accumulations expected north of I-70, and then this starts to wrap up around midnight. Looking into Friday, will generally be drier but much colder, and that's where that Arctic air returns. Let's take a look at how much snowfall we could see. The model I just showed you brings, again, our main accumulations through the evening, and generally less than an inch north of I-70. Still, though, I think we could see some localized higher amounts across the board. So we're going to consider a potential for a trace as far south as our southern counties. I think you could see some very light snow here should we see things tick up a little bit. And then we're looking at a trace being the floor across the board. There is a scenario where you get out of this with a trace in the far north, but likely you're looking at maybe a trace to an inch in these light blue counties. So that's going to be Columbia, Fulton, Montgomery City, Mexico, Moberly, Brunswick, and you may get out of this with an inch in Macon. However, your high end amount is a little higher north of Highway 24, Macon to Paris. I think you could feasibly end up with close to 2 inches on a very localized basis, but again, that's not likely. What's likely is that trace to 1 inch amount for folks north of I-70, generally speaking. A big focus with all of this is going to be the cold. Take a look at high temperatures Friday and Saturday. You'll see red boxes here. Those are ABC 17 storm track weather alert days because we're talking about more dangerous cold, especially in the mornings. Morning wind chill 12 below to 20 below Friday morning, Saturday morning respectively, and we could start Sunday cold before we start to warm up Sunday afternoon. So that's what we're expecting as we look into the weekend. But today, again, your wind chill looking tolerable this afternoon, above freezing. Our actual temperatures are later today. There's that Arctic blast with that trough of low pressure on Thursday. Long-term forecast has a warm up on the way as we turn upper level winds out of the south into early next week. Now this will also bring in some Gulf moisture, and we'll be talking about rain chances likely Sunday night, Monday, and Tuesday. Well, likely Sunday's dry. I spoke incorrectly here. Our chance for rain shows up on Monday. And things are generally looking warmer into next week. So as we continue to watch Gulf moisture pump in next week, there's a good chance we could see most of it fall as rain. And we just have to get through one more shot of Arctic air as we look at Friday and Saturday, those both weather alert days, and our 7-day forecast.